Rotational and circular motion, Unit 4, Physics, Class 11. Question 1. If the momentum of area of a rotating body is halved, what will be the effect on angular velocity? Answer: doubles. Question 2. Can a small force ever extra greater torque than a larger force? Answer: yes, if applied at a greater distance. Question 3. Which of the following are real world application of angular moment? Answer: stabilization of static figures, skating, gyroscope operation. Question 4. Which factors affect the movements of interior? Answer: mass of the body, distance from the axis of rotation, and distributions of mass about the axis of rotation. Question 5. Torque definition. Answer: torque is the rotational equivalent of force. Question 6. Torque calculations. Answer: 320 Newton. Point meter. Question 7. Radian is approximately. Answer: 57 degree. Question 8. Wheel turns with constant angular speed. Then answer: the wheel turns through equal and angle the equal times. Question 9. The rotational area of a wheel about the axle does not depend upon its answer diameter. Question 10. Maximum the torque applied to a wheel. The force should be applied. Answer: 8 the ram turns to the ram. Question 11. For an object rotating about a face S is if is its rotational area and is its angular acceleration, then answer: this follows directly from Newton's second law. Question 12. The angular momentum vector of the earth about its rotation x due to its daily rotation is directed. Answer: north. Question 13. A stone of 2 kg is tied to a 0.50 meter long string and swing around a circle at an angular velocity of 12 rad per second. The net torque on the stone about the center of the answer: n point meter. Question 14. A rotating body stalls due to answer: friction. Question 15. If the external torque acting on a body is 0, then its angular momentum is conserved. Question 16. What is the unit of angular velocity? Answer: rad per second. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of rotational motion? Answer: earth spinning about its axis. Question 18. What provides the centripetal force in the stellar motion? Answer: gravitational force. Question 19. Torque is the rotational equivalent of which quantity? Answer: force. Question 20. Uniform circle motion, the speed. Answer: remains constant. Question 21. Which of these has the largest moment of area about its center? Answer: 10 ring. Question 22. The centripetal force acts. Answer: toward the center. Question 23. What does the area under a torque or Vs angles graph represent? Answer: energy. Question 24. In rotational motion, what's done is given by answer: torque per multiply angular displacement. Question 25. Which of these systems has the least rotational area for the same mass? Answer: solid sphere. Question 26. The angular velocity of a rotating body is double. Its kinetic energy becomes. Answer: 4 times. Question 27. A disc and ring roll down an inclined plane which reach fast. Answer: disc. Question 28. For a pendulum, the motion is answer simple harmonic motion. Question 29. Which force is responsible for rotational motion? Answer torque. Question 30. The angular motion is conserved when answer no external torque acts.